In DMU fitting, we can do disassembly and assembly process with the help of some tools for process planning or feasibility studies. It is a dedicated tool to definition, simulation, and analysis of assembly and disassembly operations. Any operations with the help of some tools. Maybe it may be a slant or something. So for that, it is completely properly fit with that particular locations or not. It is feasible for reviewing or assembly process. It is feasible or not, that we can check with the help of this DMU fitting. We can generate a track for those tools. These operations helps you to validate the product design with the respect to the feasibility of its maintenance operations. Define single object or group of objects. We can make a number of components. Suppose 4 bolts are there, so you can apply in 1 bolt. So we can update that for other similar type of parts also. Define single object or group of objects to move during the disassembly procedure. Generate disassembly trajectories, avoiding collision and respecting angular limitations. Interactively simulates object trajectory with visual feedback. It is completely very easy to use. It is mouse-based definition for trajectories. With the help of compass or with the help of some parameters, we can create trajectories. Trajectory means paths. Automatic pathfinding computation tools will be also available without clashing. Ability to include section planes, motions simultaneously in fitting analysis with the help of sequence or inside track. Integration with V5 human solutions. Nobody else offers such an integration. So Mankins simulations also we can integrate with this. For serviceability and maintenance validations. Ability to use deformed shapes from V5 finite element analysis. We can use deformed shapes in CATIA analysis. Whatever the post images, we can insert it. Powerful and fast automatic path planning capabilities. No data translation when using fit information in CATIA V5 because on the same platform. Only workbench is changing. Dynamic analyze simulated trajectory in order to validate their feasibility. So while dynamic path also dynamically we can create the paths while moving your compass from one location to another location. Automatically we can set snap kind of things. So while putting the compass, while moving the compass, it will create the path. Integrate with other DMU products for powerful combination of simulation, mixing class, kinematics, or human Mankins. Generate useful information on the space reservation in assembly, allowing designer to modify the digital mockup while respecting maintenance feasibility with the help of swept volume, or if you see in this image here, this swept volume is created. This swept volume we can insert inside our assembly. Provide sophisticated simulations tool to increase collaboration between all projects members and generate compelling marketing materials such as videos. It allows design validation packaging processes for product design, recycling, serviceability and maintenance department, and integrated with kinematics solutions also. Exchange and downstream process, sharing design and packaging validation with suppliers, team members, customers. No need to send your native data, you can send only that swept volume, so people can understand, okay, this is the reserve area for this. These are the capabilities we can create. If you see in this screen, we can create a track like this, or in parabolic or spline base also it is available, or combination of linear and spline base also available. We can set time for these tracks. We see a small example of some disassembly of this. So I have given some color code visibility also. So while removing it is changing its color. Those capability actions we can give. Hide and show also we can give. So you can set number of different colors. And at the end, it will be in hidden mode. So for any presentation purpose or any other review purpose or training purpose, it will be very best solutions.